We constantly make improvements and new developments on our solutions by implementing advanced technologies, AI and machine learning techniques to be prepared of what is coming up next and to fulfill the need before it comes. The key here is to have a good understanding and knowledge of the market, the trends, the regulatory framework, and most importantly, the needs of the recipients of your solutions or services so that you are proactively prepared to support them when needed, to inform them of the advances, and overall to keep yourself ahead of the market. This is an award-winning compliance toolkit that is currently being trusted and used by large organizations globally. ComplianceSuite is developed to support high volumes of transactions and customer records that are being processed instantly. The all-in-one ComplianceSuite is able to support all the needs of a compliance team, covering, amongst others, the transaction monitoring, the automated rescoring, sanction, PEP, and adverse media screening, as well as ongoing monitoring, a simplified digital onboarding flow, document verification, a comprehensive and well-structured link analysis by graphically representing the linkages between the entities, as well as an automated regulatory reporting. Key features of the solution that are rarely offered is that it supports several integrations for data gathering, processing, screening, monitoring, and reporting, as well as the fact that can be fully customized so that it surely fulfills the compliance needs of each organization or of each office. Rules, flows, reports, scoring metrics are set up by the users themselves with the full guidance and support of our professional experts. The adoption of the advanced technology is nowadays the key to take the next step into the future. Artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques are key components for every service, especially if that service is the development of a platform that processes huge volumes of data known as big data. Analyzing historical data and transactional behaviors can now be used to predict future trends and consequently to predict future needs of the consumers of the service. Those needs are what the service providers needs so that they are well prepared of what is coming up next. This applies to all companies of all industries, regardless of their service line or size. Compliance is not an easy task. Whoever believes that the responsibilities of a compliance officer are easy, I challenge him to try this out by putting themselves into the shoes of a compliance officer for a week or even for a day. A compliance officer should keep himself well aware of the rules and regulations, not only of the local market in which the office is registered and thus reported to, but also of the markets in which the company operates with. Moreover, a compliance officer should always be awake to identify any red flags or any suspicious behavior and to act promptly to prevent any illicit transaction before it realizes. This sounds like a 24/7 task, and it surely is. However, thanks to the advanced technology, there are reliable solutions in the market developed by experts with years of experience in the field in such a way, and by implementing the right rules to securely monitor any unusual transaction and to report it immediately. Such solutions are what Infocredit Group proudly offers.